Everyone. Fire alarm went off at convention center. Oh, OMG. Fire alarm went off. Like a fire alarm. Oh my god. Oh my god. A lot of people with costumes. So, looks like there's some incident going on over there. I can't zoom in on this phone, unfortunately, but Detroit Comic Con will only have 1 day event, but this one has 3 days. There was a dance, people were dancing, and then the fire alarm went off. So this is everybody outside. Oh my god. So many people in costumes, it's so cool. Oh my god, the firetruckstore.com. I'm going to freeze. This is a thick shirt, but I'll probably only keep me warm for 10 minutes. So, OMG. OMG. Fire alarm. I say about 300 people. I bet see how many people are out. I say about well over 1,000. So far, well over 1,000 people are outside. Fire alarm went off. I think so many people with costumes. Fire alarm. Are they gonna let us back in? That's the suspense. Let us back in. So. People with heavy costumes will be definitely more. I think the fire alarm was set up by the smoke and fog, the stage set at the dance floor. That's what I'm guessing. And it's like maybe 1 in the morning. I have to use. At least I know. Maybe I should walk to a hotel and watch it 24/7. Walk to 24/7 Japanimation. I am far away from family and friends. Oh my G. OMG. OMG. Some people are hugging each other. There's an interesting costume right here. Fire truck. Getting this on footage. As an experienced filmmaking student, film direction, theater direction, about to direct a film for the Capital City Film Fest coming up next 2 weeks if we get in. I'm just going to do a live broadcast. So far, excuse me. So far, here comes a fire truck, fire engine. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here's a fire truck. There's one fireman going in. Here comes up. There's a second fireman going in. Another fireman going in. At least I got my phone plugged into a battery pack. I can broadcast unlimited 4G. So with some people with cell phones, I'll do it really, really professionally. Oh, here's a third fireman coming in. I don't have a press pass to broadcast since I interned at TV6, but I'll just narrate. Another fire truck. Second fire truck. Now there's 3 more firemen, so it makes it 6. There it is. 3 more firemen coming in. There's 2 of them about to come out right here. For out-of-staters, there's a lot more people here. There's a crowd, I'd say well over close to 1,000. Oh, definitely 1,000. There they go, they're going back in. I'm afraid I'll have to upload this on YouTube. There goes a fire truck. I'll just wave. Bye-bye for one. I think it's a false alarm. Set off by a smoke machine. Stage smoke machine. That's my guess. What?
I think someone just pulled the alarm.
You think someone pulled the alarm?
Yeah.
You're probably right. We'll never know. We will never know. What? I'm going to probably post on Facebook and put on YouTube.
Put it on the content.
Oh, I will put on the con.
Good.
I will put on the con channel. It'll take me a while to upload it. Then I have to use it Yeah! So I'm going to put this on the com channel. Here comes, oh, there's more people across the street coming. Here comes more people in costumes. I'll put this on com channel. I think my phone is now fully charged. There's a green light. I can pull the plug of my cell phone. I have a plug. So everyone's getting excited to come back in here. So I love this Pokemon pack. I'm really, really excited.
I know everybody is told you cannot let anyone back in until we get the officer from fire department and the lockers back on the office. We're trying to get through the system right now to get shut off and then we'll get everybody back in. And you guys wait just for a few more minutes, okay?
Yeah. So maybe I don't know. I wonder what the cause of the alarm. Maybe someone pulled a fire alarm. I have no idea. So
I know, right?
yeah. I don't know. I'll have to put this on the site now. Everyone's hugging together, making sure everyone's okay. And in a few minutes we'll be let back in. I think there's 1,000 people waiting to get in. Waiting to get in. What happened?
That's all it was. They say
I was right. It was a fog machine.
I happened to be the one that was on staff, so I happened to know firsthand.
I had experience with filmmaking in the other direction. I kind of suspected that.
Thankfully, it wasn't anything severe, but it was still big.
Well, I guess everyone is glad there's no fire. It was just a smoke machine malfunction. Setting an alarm. I thought so. Yeah, I'm going to put this in the website. So, look at all these people. Oh, this is like actual live feed. Yeah, I was right. It was a smoke machine. So, everyone's going to be excited coming back in. People are just being excited. I'm just going to walk, see how far the crowd is. See how far. Yep, 1,000 people. A lot of people in costume. My phone's fully charged. I'm looking forward to Capital City Film Fest. Think of something happy while cold. This is a very thick coat, thick shirt, so some of my relatives and friends out of state will worry about me being cold. I was right. It was a smoke machine. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So they. Oh yeah, because it was smoking up in there. A fog machine. Fog machines can shut off lights. Oh yeah. I knew it. I cannot wait to put this on the site. Unlimited 4Gs. Live video feed on Facebook. Rip it off from Facebook. A video ripper. What is it? What do you call it? A software that rips video from Facebook. And then upload it to YouTube. And then send the link to them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but this is on Facebook, live feed. Yeah, you could actually, if you do video on Facebook, you can use an app to rip the video and send it to YouTube. Or in hard drive, and send it to YouTube. Most people, 90% of people are not much into doing YouTube. They're more like viewers.
Well, I do have a couple of videos that I don't release actually stuff on it. I also just use it to post all the videos I did on Twitter.
Oh yeah. That works. You can list a flavor and you can broadcast that. You can rip it and edit it too. You can do all kinds of stuff with YouTube software.
YouTube kind of yells at me though for showing videos that are over and over.
Oh yeah, you can only do like 4 minutes when you use the YouTube editor. I know that for a fact. I went to school for filmmaking. I'm actually hoping to have my film shown at the Capital City Film Fest in 2 weeks. Oh yeah, directing. Oh, I'm still cold. Oh my god. I am still cold though. Not too cold. It's like probably like 30 degrees. Maybe below 30. Below 30. You're so lucky. You have a coat. I have a little bit thick shirt.
Currently 28 degrees out there.
28 degrees.
28.
Oh. It's a little bit tolerable.
A little bit.
Yeah, definitely. But you're the one with the coat.
I have the clothes, I got my hand gloves, but I got pockets.
Oh yeah. I left it in the car. I parked near Radisson.
I'm used to living with someone who likes it hot in the house.
Oh yeah, whatever works. Looks like. Oh my god. It went to the other side. The security is right now gathering up right here. Oh my god, I think. Did it like show you right here? I think my screen went on the opposite side for when I'm broadcasting this. Oh well. Everyone's getting so excited. So let me tell you about Lansing. This is a capital right here. Right here is the capital. Right here. Lansing has maybe 120,000 people, maybe close to 200, maybe regional. So this is Michigan Avenue right here. Michigan Avenue goes straight to MSU Spartans. I'm not really into sports. A few venues. This is the convention center right here. So I'm still looking forward to get back inside. I'm going to play the whole clip till everyone's coming back inside. This is the end of the crowd on one side. So close to 1,000. Convention center is pretty large. It goes from there. It goes way over there. It's probably like a few 200 yards across. Yeah, let's.
Right now, we are going to let back in the building. Can you please calmly enter the building when we're allowed back in? Instead of trying to force all back in. If it will be forced, it's going to take longer to get in.
I'm apparently heating pad because I've been out here 10 minutes and I'm still really warm.
Oh, yeah.
So they've been cuddling me to get warm.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
No, because like, if you feel
Yeah. Oh, my God. You're warm. Oh, my God. I do feel warm. So I'm still going to play this till we get inside. Yeah, that's a cool one right there. Here comes the firemen again.
Everybody move!
Here they go inside.
This is
to the website. Unlimited 14.
Yes, that's fire.
There you go. You're way down there. But I'm gonna be behind these people. We gotta turn off the alarm. Here's a path for the firemen. Here's a fireman truck. This is the City of Lansing Fire Department right here. They're going to deactivate the alarm, give it an okay to let us in. So, some people probably have coats on, like me. It's 28 degrees, from what I know. 28 degrees.
28.
That's a little bit below 0 Celsius.
Talked about nice and warm now.
Yeah.
It's
Fahrenheit 28 degrees. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, okay. These cameras shot. He's warm enough. That's a little. With all these costumes. I'm not going to be in the front of the line. I'm like outside. I'm with people coming in. Some people have left and went way over there to that Renaissance building right there. Another access to get in. Because it's very, very cold. So I capture the firemen coming back out. Do I see them? Here they come. Here comes the firemen. Here they come. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! So, there goes the firemen. Now we're about to go inside. Probably be a few minutes. And this is going to the website. Oh, thank you. This one keeps me a little warm. Feel how thick it is. Oh yeah. Crystal, $3. I think this is like 20 years old. Probably 90%.
I see those bumps.
So I'm just gonna keep playing this. Some people have just, like I said, some people have flocked way over there. The Renaissance. I'm gonna walk to the Renaissance. Wherever to show you. It's on the other end. It's connected to Convention Center, going towards the Capitol, and there's like a big, huge tunnel. There's a convention center. It's really, really big. So, this is the inside convention center. Here's a security guard right here. So this is a Renaissance that's connected. There's like a bridge tunnel, pedestrian bridge, covered bridge. Goes maybe about close to 200 yards over the Grand River. And this is a Renaissance Hotel. You can only come at night. You can only come in through the Renaissance Hotel. This is the convention center. I'm just gonna go there. There's a gazebo, Cedar River Bridge, and these couples are going to the convention, the Renaissance over there. So it's probably close to 1 o'clock in the morning. So some people are walking to the Renaissance because they get too cold. Some people are staying in there. I live a mile away. They announced they're going to let us in 5-10 minutes. I don't mind. It's not too cold. 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, have your badges ready. So he says, have the badges ready. Everyone who gets in has to have a badge, either a 3-day pass, a Friday pass, or a VIP pass. I almost bought a VIP pass, but it was like $120. Next year I'll buy a VIP, I promise. I'm going to go across the street, get a perspective of what the convention center looks like. So, across the street is the Capitol right here. And this is a trolley. This is a trolley right here that goes to, it shows up every, between Thursday and Saturday. Goes straight to, goes straight to East Lansing for the bar nights. So this is, I talked about the sculpture on one of my blogs, Facebook blog. Here's an interesting structure. Here's a convention center right here. Let's take a look at that for some time. It's directly across the street from the convention center. It's probably information right here. Too dark. So, Portrait of a Dreamer. That's the name of the sculpture. Portrait of a Dreamer. Directly across the street from the convention center. And there's still a crowd. A lot of them went to the Renaissance, and there's a crescent moon shining over the Renaissance. I wish I can zoom in and get a good picture, because of the limited things I can do for the cell phone, but it's enough to get good footage. So, this is the convention center. It goes from this way to this way, pretty wide. Looks like there's a stand right here. Maybe I can get something to eat. Oh wow, what luck! I wonder what they have. Mostly hot dogs. Hey, do you have a pretty good? Do you have any drinks? Hot drinks? Coffee?
Diet Coke, orange, grape, water. You got what you like.
Do you have coffee?
No.
Let me see. I'll just have a Coke would be too hot. Let me see. I'll definitely get like I'll get some Coke and actually, yeah, Coke.
Okay.
Sometimes I drink pop. $2?
Yes, sir.
Actually, change that to chips.
Chips too.
Yeah, just chips. Cancel the Coke. It's too cold.
You know what you do?
What? Yeah. I'm doing a live broadcast. I'm broadcasting the fire alarm.
Oh, chips right there.
Oh, chips right here? Ooh, Doritos. I mean, the blue one.
Thank you.
How much is it? $2?
$1. You gave it down already.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
So. Yeah, it's too cold to grab a can pop. So, ranch Doritos are really, really good. I'm gonna munch on it. Go back to this crowd. Convention Center. I don't know when the Convention Center was built. It was built maybe like well over 10 years ago. Everyone's excited to get in. So I got some Doritos. If anyone wants Doritos around me, I will give it to them. Oh, wait. Hey, let the wheelchair come in first. Let the wheelchair come in first. Some people smoked outside. I have to munch on the Doritos. I'm gonna munch on Doritos, watch people go by. This is all going to the site. Yes! Hey, good job.
Couple doors open, step right up.
Watch people come in.
Thank you, everybody.
Oh, you can come in this door too. He's cold.
Go ahead and close it.
Oh yeah, I might as well come in. I'm gonna recycle this. Everyone's coming in. So well, everyone's back in. So this is the end of the broadcast. Thank you for watching. Sudacon's awesome. Yeah.